Combiz.
Hello everyone, my name is Vishal. Today I am talking about the Compulsory Registration Scheme CRS under the Bureau of Indian Standards BIS. What is CRS BIS? Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology MeitY has notified the Electronics and Information Technology Goods Order 2012 and the Ministry of New and Renewable Energy MNRE has also notified 5 products under the Solar Photovoltaics System, Devices and Components Goods Order. Currently 79 products covered under CRS BIS, in which 70 products are mandatory and the rest 9 products orders and guidelines are under the process by the government. As per BIS, nobody can import or sell their products covered under BIS in India without getting the registration number of that product. Who can apply for the CRS? The following are the eligible applicants for the BIS certification. Any manufacturers in India or outside India producing products notified in the compulsory registration order can apply for the BIS certification under the compulsory registration scheme. Manufacturers must apply for a separate registration number for products manufactured at the different locations. Also, manufacturers have to apply for a separate registration number for each brand being manufactured at the same location. Steps involved in BIS registration. The following steps are involved in CRS BIS. The first step is obtain login credential. Applicant goes to the CRS BIS website and fill in the relevant field and upload the documents. The login request will be approved after the online verification of the documents. Second is generate test request. Using existing credential, the applicant selects the BIS recognized lab and the testing of the samples. Await the confirmation from the selected lab. After confirmation from the lab, print the test request with a QR code. Third one is submit the sample to the lab. Display or paste the QR code on the sample or packet to the lab for easy scanning along and submit it with a copy of the test request. On acceptance by the lab, an acknowledgement is sent to the registered mail ID. The lab takes 15 to 20 days to issue the report. Fourth one is using existing credential, upload the test report online. Please ensure that the issued test report is not more than 90 days old. Fourth one is submit the undertaking regarding the declaration of conformity. Undertaking form 3 format is given on the CRS website. Sixth one is pay the required fee and generate an acknowledgement slip. Seventh is fill the required detail in form 1, which is downloaded after filling online details. This form must be sealed and signed by the top management of the factory. Eighth is receive an acknowledgement on the completing and submitting all details. Ninth is send an affidavit by post to the registration department. 10th is if online filing and the relevant documents are correct, then within 15 to 20 days BIS issues the registration number of that product. The registration number is valid for 2 years. After 2 years, the applicant can renew the license. This registration number should be used on that product's model with the use of standard mark and labeling requirements under the BIS guideline. I hope you understood the process of CRS. For more content, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.